In this video, we're testing the Waypoint feature on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I'm setting up the flight path manually. You can see each waypoint appear on the screen. The idea is to let the drone follow this exact route on its own. Camera is rolling, settings are locked. Let's see how it performs. I press go. The drone starts heading toward the first waypoint, climbing to 50 meters. That's the altitude it will keep throughout the flight. Now it's reached the starting point and turns away from the sun. I planned it like that to get softer backlight for the opening shot. I'm using a FreeWell ND16 PL filter, and everything is set to manual. 60 FPS, shutter speed 1/120th, and off it goes, flying parallel to the river and right over the blooming rapeseed fields. The drone stays steady at 50 meters, and you can really feel the smoothness. It follows the path with great precision, the camera stays level, the horizon is stable, exactly what you want in an automated sequence. Now we're turning left and crossing over the river. No sudden moves, the drone just glides smoothly to the next segment of the route, heading out over open fields. We're approaching the final waypoint. The drone is turning gently toward the last part of the route near the takeoff point. And here's the last shot flying back with a great view of Frankfurt skyline in the distance. That's how the Waypoint mode works: clean, controlled, and reliable.